Hi guys, in mathematics, when you have more than one operation in an expression, you don't just simplify the expression randomly. You follow a specific rule, and that rule is the BODMAS rule. So in this video, we're gonna use the BODMAS rule to help us simplify the following expressions and get the correct answers. In this problem, we have division and multiplication. So because division and multiplication are same level operations, we're gonna simplify them from left to right. So that means we're gonna divide first. So that means we're gonna divide 24 by 6 to get a 4. And now that division is gone. Next, we'll multiply 4 by 3 to get a 12. And the multiplication is gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have subtraction and addition. So because subtraction and addition are same level operations, we're gonna work from left to right. So that means we're gonna subtract first. So we'll subtract a 4 from a 15 to get 11. And now the subtraction is gone. Lastly, we're gonna add a 6 to the 11 to get a 17. And now the addition is gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have subtraction and multiplication. So because multiplication is a high level operation than subtraction, we're gonna multiply first. So that means we'll multiply 5 by 2 to get a 10. And now multiplication is gone. And lastly, we'll subtract a 10 from a 20 to get 10. And the subtraction is gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have addition and division. So because division is a high level operation than addition, we're gonna divide first. So that means we're going to divide 8 by 4 to get a 2. And now the division is gone. Lastly, we're going to add the 2 to the 18 to get 20. And now the addition is gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have subtraction, division, and multiplication. So because division and multiplication are high level operations than subtraction, we're going to work with division and multiplication from left to right. So that means we're going to divide first. So we're going to divide 16 by 4 to get a 4. And now the division is gone. Next, we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply 4 by 3 to get a 12. And now the first multiplication is gone. Now we're going to multiply here. So we're going to multiply 6 by 2 to get a 12. And now this multiplication is gone. So now we'll work with subtraction from left to right. So that means we're going to subtract here first. So we're going to subtract a 12 from a 40 to get 28. And now this subtraction is gone. So lastly, we'll subtract a 12 from 28 to get a 16. And now all the signs are gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have subtraction, addition, and multiplication. And we have brackets. And inside the bracket, we have addition and multiplication. So because brackets are the highest level operation, any calculation inside the bracket must be done first. So that means we're gonna do multiplication and addition because they're inside the bracket. Now we're gonna multiply first. This is because multiplication is a high level operation than addition. So we're gonna multiply a 3 by 2 to get a 6. And now multiplication is good. Now we're gonna add a 6 to a 7 to get a 13. And now the addition is good. So because we have a single answer for the calculation that is inside the bracket, we will not have to write the bracket anymore. So now the brackets are gone. So all we have to do is to subtract a 13 from a 25 to get a 12. Now all the operations are gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have division and multiplication. And we also have brackets. And we have multiplication inside the bracket. So even though division and multiplication are same level operations, we're not gonna work from left to right this time. That's because brackets are the highest level operation. So we have to multiply first, because multiplication is inside the bracket. So that means we're going to multiply a 6 by 4 to get 24. And now the multiplication is gone. So remember that whenever you have a single answer for the calculation inside the bracket, you will not have to write the bracket anymore. So now the brackets are gone. So now all we have to do is to divide 48 by 24 to get a 2. Now the division is gone. So all the operations are gone. That means this is the final answer. In this problem, we have this bracket multiplied by this bracket. So the plan is very simple. We're going to try and find the answer to each bracket and then multiply the answers to those brackets. So we will not remove this bracket until all the brackets have been removed. So we have addition on the left bracket. So we'll do this addition first. So that means we're going to add a 3, 2, a 5 to get 8. And now this addition is gone. Now we are left with multiplication and subtraction. Notice that multiplication and subtraction are inside the bracket. This one and this one. So we're going to do the multiplication that is inside the bracket. This one here. So we're going to multiply a 3 by a 4 to get 12. And now this multiplication is gone. Now we're going to do the subtraction. So we're going to subtract a 12 from a 16 to get a 4. Now this subtraction is gone. And all the calculations inside the brackets are gone. So now all we have to do is to multiply 8 by 4 to get 32. And multiplication is gone. So all the operations are gone. So this is the final answer. In this problem, we have a bracket inside a bracket. So we're gonna work from the innermost bracket to the outermost bracket. So that means we're gonna subtract first. So we're going to subtract a 4 from a 10 to get a 6. And now the innermost bracket is gone. So now we are left with multiplication and subtraction inside the bracket. And then we have division outside the bracket. So we'll simply do this multiplication here first because it's inside the bracket. So we're gonna multiply here first.
So that means we're going to multiply a 3 by 6 to get 18. And now the multiplication inside the bracket is gone. Then now we're gonna subtract a 6 from 18 to get 12. Now this subtraction is gone and the brackets are gone because we no longer have a calculation inside the bracket. So now all we have to do is to divide a 12 by a 6 to get a 2. Now this division is gone. All the operations are gone. So this is the final answer.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll do the order in a future video.